Across the universe. Here's the intro. First chord is a C chord. With your left hand, you're going to put your 5 finger on the C, and then your right hand is going to play the 3 notes out of what's called a triad or a chord, and that's C, E, G. So that's how that looks. 5 and 1, 3, 5. Then you're moving to a G7. The left hand grabs a G with 1 finger, thumb, 1 finger, and then the right hand is going to grab B, D, F, G. So 1, 2, 4, 5 with the right hand, and 1 with the left. Then you're moving to an A minor, so your thumb is going to slide up to an A, and your right hand is going to do C, E, A, 1, 2, 5. And really try to pay attention to what your fingerings are. Then we're moving to an E minor, and that is a 3 with the left hand and on E, and 1, 3, 5, B, E, G with the right hand. Then you're moving to a G chord, and you're going to have thumb on a G, and the right hand is going to play B, D, G. 1, 2, 5. That's the intro. So now we move on to the verse. And that also starts with a C chord. So we have C again with C, E, G with the right hand. So 5 and 1, 3, 5, and then you're moving to an A minor chord, and that's going to move your thumb on the left hand up to the A, and then C, E, A in the right hand. And then you're going to have an E minor after that, so your left hand 3 is on E, and your right hand is on B, E, G. Then we're moving to a D minor 7, so that whole shape with your right hand just moves up 1 to C, F, A, and your left hand hits a D. Then we're moving to another G. Thumb is on the G with the left hand, and the right hand is B, D, G. And then you're moving to a G7, so that's going to be B, D, F. Thumb still stays on G. So that first line of the verse sounds like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. Then we're moving to the second line of the verse, which starts the same. You have a C, and then an A minor, and then an E minor, and then a D minor 7, and then F minor. So that F minor is the new thing. So you have your 2 finger on your left hand hitting an F, and then C, F, and A flat with your right hand. So that second line is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So from the intro all the way through that verse, you're going to have the following sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. that's how you play Across the Universe, intro and verse.